All right, so we have our 2-week checkup for the batteries. We're gonna top them off with water. As it would suggest, it's 2 weeks after I did all the cleaning and replacing of all the ring connectors, ring terminals. So we're gonna see if that made any improvements on the water consumption on these guys, or if I'm gonna continue pretty much putting a gallon of water a month in here, so until we can get them replaced next year. So let's go in. All right, so here we are. Don't see anything super bad. I do see a little bit of the gases coming out around these guys. It's interesting how it changes color. Something I don't know if I pointed it out last time, but these two here are pushing up quite a bit. Alright, so I don't remember how much water these took last time, but I would imagine I'm just going to go and look at the other video and put it right here or something. Put the amount right there. I'm going to go ahead and open these guys up, have a look. First one, clean bill of health. Good. Some. So there's that one. Okay, so not as good as I was hoping. Okay, these ones are the ones that took the most. Yep, they're definitely gonna need some. Ooh, that one's off-gassing quite a bit. So is that one. I wonder if those guys are dried up. Ooh, stinky. Wow. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna guess it probably didn't do a whole lot of good. We'll go ahead and start putting water in these. Wake up with the sun in my eyes. But yeah, I'm gonna say right off the bat that it's probably didn't help all that much. And I'm just gonna be dumping water in these batteries for quite a while.
This is Windwalker Homestead. We don't beg, we don't bend, collecting rain from the sky, harvesting power from light.
I mean, that was the best one last time too. I basically took two, and then I did a third one, just for safety's sake, because I was barely at the top of the plates.
This is Windwalker Homestead. We don't beg, we don't bend, collecting rain from the sky, harvesting power from light. Yeah, we built it, we bleed it, we don't know, we don't need it. Open fields to work my best. I call that freedom, I call that blessed. Hey! I call that freedom, I call that blessed. Got a notebook full of half-baked plans, dirt road circled on a thrift store map. Boss keeps talking, I just hear
What was that, 4 of them for the middle one? It's about the same as last time.
go off the map.
This one, I believe, took like 9 last time. Either 6 or 9. I can't- Either way, it looks like I'm gonna end up checking these guys once a week from now on.
Makers where the wires all in, patchwork roof and a porch one thin, rain in barrels, jars on the shelf, learn to fix every broken thing myself. Yeah, I wanna go off the map, off the chain, grow my own food, grow my own name, tear out roots from the concrete grid, build my little fortress, call it homestead, living off the map, off the map, off the map, on my own. Let the lawn die, let the waves win, trade my badge for a busted wrench and a wild bread. If it all burns, I'll still have sex, I'll still have me, I'll still have me. I wanna go off the map, off the chain, grow my own food, grow my own name, tear out roots from the concrete grave, build my little fortress, call it homestead, living off the map, off the map, off the map, on my
Alright, so unless I miscounted, that's 9 once again.
Late fee, same bad news. Ceiling leaks on the second-hand couch. Landlord laughs, calls it a minor amount. Cold beans, cold feet.
Kind of makes me wonder how many fluid ounces these guys take. Like bone dry. Because 9, that's 9 times 3. Is that 28?
So I'm cashing out.
27?
Take this key, I won't need
18, yeah, 27 ounces. Seems like quite a bit. You think of a 20-ounce bottle of Coke or Pepsi. It's more than that. And I may end up taking these 2 batteries out of the system, or disconnecting them anyways.
lucky means cheap.
and then hooking them up to this old battery charger that I have that charges in pulses. And what that'll do is that'll help break up the sulfation and hopefully get it to go a little bit better. That was only like 4 or 5 there. It doesn't seem like it did any better. Right now would be the perfect time to do it too, because it's not too hot, not too cold. This morning woke up and I swear it was like 54, 55 degrees. Actually had to put a hoodie on. But of course, if you're paying attention to Eastern Washington, that town Spokane just got 3 more fires. So this whole area is all smoky, even more than usual. I'm not even paying attention anymore to how many I'm putting in. I'll count it when I edit the video.
2-hour drive till the towers fade. Static breaks and the silence stays. First cut blister, first pitch post, first night sky hits me like a ghost. Big black blanket, every bird and dot feels like a future the city forgot. Now I'm cashing out, cutting loose. Take this key, I outgrew that noose. You can keep your buzz in neon sky. I've got dirt, I've got stars, I've got wild, I've got wide. If it's off grid or die trying, then I'm off grid and I'm private. Yeah, I found space, I found quiet in my head. I want life past the edge of the spread.
Yes.
Woke up to a car horn headache. Same gray screen, same dead stare. Clocking code like a barcode on my neck. Felt the walls lead in, thin stale air. So I poured down the calendar, ripped that script in half. If this is what they call a future, they can keep their track. I'm off the grid. On my own, built it all with busted hands and bones. Wide open space, big clear sky. No chain.
You're boiling like crazy. This one's going nuts. This one's the worst one. It's supposed to be hovering over freaking sulfuric fumes is probably not the best idea in the world.
Every star is my new religion. Every bruise says I was there. I don't need their ladders or their glass-made thrones. I've got dirt in my laughter and a place that feels like home. I'm off the grid, on my own, built it all with busted hands and bones. Wide open space, big clear sky. No chain on my name, still I rise. I'm off the grid, and I'm finally mine.
Alright. So we'll put the total of the last one right here. Total of this time here. You know, without even figuring everything out, I can tell you it didn't do a whole lot of good, if any. I'm pretty sure I put one in each last time on this guy here, so maybe 9 ounces less. But really, unless we're talking 40 ounces or something like that, it's not a significant change. Plus, this guy was brand new, and now we're down to here, whatever that is. Pint, something like that. I don't know. But anyways, there's that. We'll call this the battery segment or something. But either way, next weekend, yeah, I'll probably disconnect these two from the system. Put that old battery charger on there for a few hours, see what happens. And until then, keep kicking up dust. Bo Shizzle.